Here the second video for those students who take an English as a compulsory. તો ફરજિયાત અંગ્રેજી સાથે રાઇટન એન્ડ સ્પોકન કમ્યુનિકેશન સ્કિલ ધ બુક ધ સ્પેક્ટ્રમ એની અંદરથી MCQ પાછા જોઈએ. નંબર 1 ફોર વિચ ઓફ ધ ફોલોવિંગ બુક રવિન્દ્રનાથ ગોટ ધ નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ. તો કઈ બુક માટે રવિન્દ્રનાથ ટાગોરને નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ મળ્યું હતું? તો ગીતાંજલિ. ઇન વિચ યર રવિન્દ્રનાથ ટાગોર ગોટ ધ નોબેલ પ્રાઇઝ, અને કઈ સાલમાં મળ્યું હતું? તો 1913ની અંદર. ગાંધીજી ઇઝ અ ડોટ. તો ગાંધીજી કોણ હતા? બુક ઓફ પોએમ. ગીતાંજલિ ઇઝ અ બુક ઓફ પોએમ. માફ કરજો. ધ એક્સપ્રેશન નોલેજ ઇઝ અ ફ્રી ઇન્ડિકેટ. તો નોલેજ ઇઝ અ ફ્રી એ શું દર્શાવે છે? તો ફ્રી ફ્રોમ સુપરસ્ટિશન. ધ એક્સપ્રેશન્સ head is held high indicate freedom of self-respect. A nation is a broken of fragments by narrow the domestic walls. The poet wants the word to come from the depth of truth. The answer is depth of the truth. In this poem, reason is compared to a clear stream. The dyed habit is compared to an desert. Number 10. The speaker of the poem My grandmother feel guilty because શા માટે guilty અનુભવતા હતા? Because she refused to go out with grandmother. Okay. Upstalls are followers to Jesus. These objects were found in the The grandmother could not always keep her shop because she had become old and frail. Okay, number 14. Where did the grandmother keep her antique object once she shut her shop? So here answer is in a narrow room in his house. Okay, number 15 નો જવાબ અહીંયા તમને દર્શાવેલો છે, ખોટો છે. The theme of his poem is about not D but B, loneliness, guilt and the power. Number 16. In the story Karma by Khushwant Singh, the interclass Zanina compared class compartment was શેનો કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ હોય છે તે? તો નેક્સ્ટ ટુ ધ ગ્વાડ્સ વેન. ઝનેના કમ્પાર્ટમેન્ટ વોઝ ક્યાં હતો? તો નેક્સ્ટ ટુ ધ ગ્વાડ્સ વન. ઓકે, નંબર 17 આનો પણ જવાબ ખોટો આપેલો છે કે સર મોહનલાલ smiled at the mirror with an air of not a C but answer is a PT and Patok. You are a bit of all right, old chap. The speaker is અલા વાક્ય કોણ બોલે છે? મિરર. Lady Mohanlal sat on a sit still trunk. Not trunk but drunk. Sir Mohanlal was by profession a barrister. Lakshmi's tiffin contained chapatis and mango pickle. When Sir Mohan saw two English soldiers walking toward his cup, he decided to ... What is decide? Decide to welcome them warmly. Okay, the newspapers Sir Mohanlal always carried was the Times. Which newspaper he carried always? The Times. There's the thrust into her mouth. Here there's refer to betel leaves and other things inside it. Okay, number 25. Sir Mohan had stayed in Britain for 5 years. The English soldier whom Sir Mohan Lal had to face were Bill and Jim. Okay, Sir Mohan spoke English in Oxford accent. Sir Mohan believed that qualities attached to Indian were innocent, dirty and indifferent. Okay, Sir Mohan's feet were glued to the earth Here, earth mean the suffers for the platform. Sir Mohanlal had his education at Oxford University.